Do you know that over 1 billion of content are watched on YouTube every single day? Yeah, I know that this might sound crazy, but that's the fact. Imagine tapping into this massive audience just by going on live and connect with your audience in real time. Hi there, welcome back to Afite Digital. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can go on live stream as a beginner. I'm going to show you how you can go on live stream with your smartphone or with a PC. I'm also going to show you how you can go on live as a guest. Okay, I'm also going to show you how you can schedule your live stream, and I'm also going to show you how you can go on live stream and be showing your screen. Okay, so if this sounds like what you want, please do well to like this video, give this video a thumbs up, leave your comment in the comment section, and also do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that whenever I post a video like this, you'll be among the first person to watch my video. Okay, so without wasting much time, I'm just going to head over to the other side of my screen, which I'm going to show you how to do this in just a few minutes, right? So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to make use of YouTube Studio, like I mean from the web browser, because it has some amazing features than the app itself. Okay, so I'm just going to head over to my Chrome browser, and I'm just going to type YouTube Studio. So when I type YouTube Studio, since I have the app already on my phone, if I just click on those first one, it will redirect me to the app, and that's not what I want to do. So I'll just long press it and open it in a new tab. So I'll come over here and click on the new tab I just opened so that we can access the dashboard itself. Okay, you can see the dashboard right here. So what I'm just going to do is to go ahead and click on create. You can see create right here, so I go ahead and click on create. So after clicking on create, you'll be seeing so many options. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on go live. So after clicking on go live, you just give it a little time to come up, and when it comes up, you just go ahead and click here again and just wait for it to come up. So when it comes up, it will bring you to this particular interface. Okay, so it will bring you to this interface of right now. This right now means if you want to go on live like just now. Okay, and this later date means if you want to schedule your live stream for a specific date or whatever or time. Okay, so for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to choose later date. Don't worry, I'm going to show you all of those stuff on how to go on live and share your screen. Don't be afraid about that. Okay, so I'm just going to go and click on later in the day, and after that you'll be asked for this option. Pick the type of stream to begin. Is it building webcam or is it streaming software? So I'll just go ahead and click on go under this streaming software. So you can see this no upcoming streams. Okay, so when you see that, you just go ahead and click on this close, and up here you are going to see something like schedule stream. So you're just going to go ahead and click on that. So when you click on schedule stream, it will bring you to this particular interface. Okay, you'll be asked to input the details. Okay, so what I want to do is just to go ahead and click on I'll just go ahead and click here to input my details. Okay, so after that, you will be asked to write the description of your live stream. So just go ahead, and so I've already had what I want to input it on my live stream, so I'll just go ahead and click from my clipboard, and it's going to enter here automatically. Okay, so after that, you'll be asked to fill in all of this stuff like this. So I'm just going to go back and click on where I see streaming software. Okay, so you just click on this drop down. So under this streaming software, you are going to see a webcam. If you want to use a webcam, you are going to see a streaming software like your laptop, and you are going to see mobile. Okay, since I'm using a phone, I'll just go ahead and click on mobile. So when I click on mobile, you see this option of going live together. Assuming you have someone that you want to stream this particular live with, okay, you just go ahead and click on this tick. So when you click on this tick, you'll be asked to copy the link and send it to the person so that the person will be able to join the live stream. But I'm not going to this live stream with anyone, so I'll just leave that. Okay, so after that, you'll be asked to choose your category. Okay, of course this video is for educational, sorry, of course this video is for educational purpose, so I've ticked that. So you'll be asked to upload your thumbnails. That is if you have already design your thumbnail. So I've gone ahead and click on the thumbnails I want to use. You'll be asked to um add playlist. Okay, which playlist do you want this live to be? Okay, as for me, I've created a playlist for all my videos. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and click on live videos. Okay, and I'm just going to go ahead and click on done. So after clicking on done, you are just going to see all of this option. You click on see more. Okay, you will see this option of if your content is made for kids. Of course my content is not made for kids, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on not made for kids. So after that, you'll be asked to put in your tags. Okay, you know what this means, so I'll just go ahead. I did everything so that I will not start typing it from afresh. So after filling all of this, you just need to go ahead and click on next. So after clicking on next, you'll be asked to put in all these options here, which is your live chat, participant mode, live reaction. This live chat is if you want people to be like asking you question while on live. Then participant mode, do you want anyone to join? Do you want only your subscribers, or do you want to be approving comment from users? Okay, you choose anyone. Okay, so I can just choose anyone. So when I click on anyone, so this stuff is a message delay. Okay, slow mode. This slow mode helps a lot. Maybe people come to your live stream and they comment. After they might have commented on your live, they want to exit immediately. So you just need to set a delay. Okay, a kind of delay, like let's say five let's say 60 seconds. Yeah, let it be on that 60 seconds, so that when these people want to, like, after you might have replied their chat, they want to unsubscribe to your channel, they will not be able to do that. They will have to wait for some time, and this might actually make them to like forget about it. Okay, so you just go ahead and click on next. So when you click on next, since this live stream is said to be in another day, so I'm just going to leave it on public. Okay, so from there I will now choose the date I want to go on this live stream. So I want to go on this live stream on 25th, which is Sunday. So from there I'll come here to choose the time, okay, that I want to stream. Okay, so for this video, let's say 2 p.m. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and tick that, and that's that for that. And after that, you're just going to go ahead and click on done. Okay, so after clicking on done, you are just going to give it a little time to come up. So you can see this, your stream setting, um you can see analytics here. You can see slow mode is on, send a message after 1 minute. Okay, you can see all of this stuff like that. And We are just done. So if you want to use a PC, you'd have choose it from the option we left there, and you just go ahead and set it up. Okay, so that's that for that. So for you to go on live and be sharing your screen, you can also do this with a laptop. But in a laptop, you need to install OBS, okay, and just follow the whole process and you set it up. For this particular tutorial, I'm making use of phone. So for this one, I'm going to make use of my YouTube because sorry, my YouTube app, because I'm not going to schedule anything. The reason why I make use of the YouTube studio is because it allows you to have more features than the app. So I'll just go ahead and click on this plus sign here. So when I click on this plus sign, you have seen this Afitech Digital is live, and my page or my channel is not made for kids. So you are just going to go ahead and click where you see this pencil icon. Okay, so you are just going to go ahead and click on this pencil icon here. So after you might have clicked on this pencil icon, you'll be asked to input the title of your live stream. Okay, so I'll just leave it at this After Digital is live because I don't want to go on live. Okay, so just leave it on public. Of course, my content is not made for kids. If yours is made for kids, then you can go ahead and choose that. So you can now see go live together. If you have any guest that you want to go on live with, okay, you just go ahead and tick that. So you can now see, you can now write the description of what your life is all about. Okay, you put the location, but that it is like that is not necessary. Okay, the main purpose of this is screencast. Okay, you can see screencast right here. You are just going to go ahead and click on, sorry, let me just of this one. You are just going to go ahead and click on screencast. So when you click on that, you'll be asked at a game title. Okay, what you just go ahead and type, maybe if you want to play game, you just go ahead and type anything you wish to type, and just go ahead and click on save. So you now click on advanced setting. So when you click on advanced setting, you now click on allow chat, allow people to be chatting so that you can be replying your chat. Okay, allow reaction, like all this love emoji, so all this love, like all this reaction stuff allows it. Okay, so if this your video contain paid promotion, you click on turn on. Then if you are monetized on YouTube, you are going to see that option of monetize. You just need to go ahead and turn on, right? So after that, you are just going to go ahead and click back and just click on next. So when you click on next, you just go ahead and click on no, it's not made for kids. I don't want to go on this live because the moment you go on live, you have gone. Okay, so when you do that, just go ahead and click on next. So when you click on next, you can see this option. You are about to enter a screen broadcast mode. Remember, anything on your screen, your notification, calls, password will be live streamed. Ha, the mic captures game, blah blah blah. Just go ahead and click on got it. I now go ahead and click on start on casting. So like this, you can see me right here. So whatever thing I'm saying on this, you can see my picture right here. So anything I'm talking about, everyone, even if a call enter my phone, the people watching this live stream is going to see it. Anything on my screen, everybody is going to see it. So guys, here come the end of this particular tutorial. I'll make this video to be very very well detailed so that you understand, even as a beginner, and that you have not gone for live before. Please, if you find this video helpful, please do well to like, share, leave your comment in the comment section, and also do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing tutorial and tips like this. Bye, and I'm going to see you in my next video. I love you. Bye.